Office in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor until 8:45 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 26 nautical miles northwest of Raritan Bay to 15 nautical miles west of South Amboy, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The coastal waters forecast